In today's video, welcome everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Tesla browser to learn about any topic you desire. I logged in over here in the Tesla browser. To get to the Tesla browser, I simply going to go ahead and then click on the three dots over here, and I'm going to click on browser. This will take me to a browser I saved. To save a browser to your favorite, you just simply hit the star and hit add a favorite. So I already logged into the website, and now I'm gonna choose a course and then start learning about it. Let's choose in technology, for example, and we're gonna just learn about AI. So if you click on the AI, artificial intelligence, we got a topic. So if I click on here now, we can just learn about AI just like that. So this is not just a car. It's a full-blown computer.
Machine learning is
and
one of the
I'm gonna
most
turn
active
down
areas in artificial
I'm gonna turn down
intelligence.
audio.
That's partly due to the explosion of big data, but it's also because of huge.
So I turned down the audio so just we don't get copyrighted. But you can see over here, I can do a whole lot. If I do make a full screen, you can see that. And I also have access to my control. I haven't figured out how to make this browser full screen, but it is pretty nice. And you can learn about everything you wanted to do. If I decided that, hey, I don't want to know about AI, I want to know about business, guess what? LinkedIn Learning, it's your guide. It can help you do everything else. And so it's really amazing. I think it's just taking too long to load over here a little bit. But if I go ahead and just say, I want to learn about, business analysis or data analysis, I'm just going to say project manager, for example. And then I want to just click on brainstorming tools. And there you go. I can learn whatever I want. So if you have a Tesla, don't just use it for entertainment. Use it to learn. It is very powerful computer. And one of the things I recommend highly is this car. You don't need a computer if you have this car. Use it for that reason. You will thank yourself. You'll be much more, prepared for a test. As an IT guy, I do use this car for certification training and everything else. So I hope this video was helpful, that you can use the Tesla browser for everything. And again, this is just one example of the LinkedIn Learning. You can use any of your learning preference, whatever you subscribe to, Skillshare, Amazon Learning, whatever you prefer. But I love LinkedIn Learning, and I sign in to my account and I'm using it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos. Have a great rest of the day.